Looking for a powerful, cordless vacuum to keep your home spotless? Whether you need the best overall performance, a budget-friendly option, or something ultra-lightweight, we've got you covered. In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best cordless vacuums of 2025 so you can find the perfect fit for your cleaning needs. Let's get started. Best overall, Dyson V15 Detect. The Dyson V15 Detect is the ultimate cordless vacuum for deep cleaning. With its powerful 230 ampere watt suction, it effortlessly tackles dirt, pet hair, and fine dust on carpets and hard floors. The built-in piezo sensor analyzes the debris it picks up in real time, giving you insight into your home's cleanliness. Plus, its automatic power adjustment adapts to different surfaces, ensuring optimal suction without wasting battery life. Weighing just 6.5 pounds, the V15 Detect is lightweight and easy to maneuver around furniture and tight spaces. Its laser dust detection illuminates hidden dirt on hard floors, making sure no dust particle goes unnoticed. Whether you have pets, allergies, or just want a spotless home, this vacuum delivers power, intelligence, and convenience in one sleek package. Best mid-range, Shark Stratos Cordless. The Shark Stratos Cordless is a fantastic mid-range option that balances power, convenience, and affordability. Designed for efficient cleaning, it features an automatic power adjustment system that increases suction when tackling heavier debris. Its twin-roller floor head ensures deep cleaning on carpets and hard floors alike, while the built-in odor neutralization system leaves your space smelling fresh after every use. With a maximum battery life of up to an hour, you can cover large areas without interruption. Plus, its hinged wand makes it easy to clean under furniture without bending over. If you're looking for a powerful cordless vacuum without the premium price tag, the Shark Stratos Cordless is an excellent choice. Best lower mid-range, Tineco Pure One S11. If you're looking for a solid cordless vacuum at a mid-range price, the Tineco Pure One S11 is an excellent pick. It features an automatic power adjustment system that intelligently increases suction when needed, making cleaning more efficient. With a built-in HEPA filter, it effectively traps allergens, helping to keep the air in your home fresh and clean. Lightweight at just under 6 pounds, it's easy to carry around, and the included crevice tool, side dusting brush combo, and turbo brush make it a versatile choice, especially for pet owners tackling stubborn hair on furniture. While its battery lasts around 40 minutes per charge, this vacuum is still a great option for those wanting strong performance without a high price tag. Best budget, Wyze Cordless Vacuum. If you're looking for an affordable yet capable cordless vacuum, the Wyze Cordless Vacuum is a fantastic choice. While it lacks automatic power adjustment, it still delivers solid cleaning performance on both hard floors and carpets. It's also effective at picking up pet hair, and the brush roll is easy to remove for hassle-free maintenance. With a battery life of up to an hour, it outlasts many competitors in its price range. It comes with useful attachments, including an upholstery nozzle, a crevice tool, and a dusting brush. If you're after a budget-friendly vacuum that gets the job done without unnecessary extras, the Wyze Cordless Vacuum is a smart pick. Best lightweight, Dyson Omni-glide. If you need a vacuum that's incredibly lightweight and easy to maneuver, the Dyson Omni-glide is a game-changer. Weighing just over 4 pounds, this ultra-slim design glides effortlessly around furniture and into tight spaces, thanks to its twin-roller head that pivots in every direction. Designed specifically for hard floors, its soft rollers pick up dust and debris without scratching delicate surfaces. While it has a smaller dirt compartment and a shorter battery life than some larger models, its compact size and agility make it the perfect choice for quick, everyday cleaning. That wraps up our list of the best cordless vacuums of 2025. Whether you're after top-tier power, a mid-range performer, or a lightweight solution, there's an option for everyone. Which one do you think is the best? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech and home gadget reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.